Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage a screen mirror effect of your front camera in the HONOR X7A. So in the first step we have to move the camera up, then flip camera to the front one, and good. Now we can take a photo. I'm going to show you later the difference between them, and how you can see you have a possibility to select the desired function automatically, but now I'm going to show you how you can change in the settings. So you can see that you have a mirror reflection. If you want to flip your photos when you're taking the selfie, for example, just switch it off, go back to the camera and take your photo again. And you can see, now the photo is flipped, and with mirror reflection activated, the photo is exactly same like in the camera preview. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.